So let's do the unboxing of the MaxSpec jump skimmer. It's a very unique skimmer, you'll see. This is the SK400 model MJ SK400. You can see it right there. Yep, that's the one with the two intakes. So heavy stocking, 100 gallons. Normal stocking, 265 gallons. Water level, height, footprint. Impressions. So this is the controller, MaxSpec usual type of controller. It's a very unique skimmer. Very unique skimmer. There's some things that I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is.
Stay up, counting all the way up, counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, pray up, on track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going.
Ooh, nice. That's the protection right there. This is the buoy that stops the skimmer cup from overflowing. So this is a very nice detail, very nice. Usually this is extra. Wow, okay.
On track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going.
So it comes already pretty much set up. I thought I was going to need to put all this together, but for the most part, it's good to go. Let's see it. Gotta say, very nice. Very nice having this. So this is a rubber. So it's not like a bulkhead, it's just a rubber seal that holds the float valve in place. So it's a mechanic float valve, so that's good also. So it doesn't, it's less likely to, it's good for redundancy, so less likely to fail. So this is the only thing that needs to be put in place. So what happens is this skimmer, it gets water. The unique thing about this skimmer is the pump, this pump, where the water gets sucked from here and sucked from here, so you get a lot more bubble injection. So that's the thing about this one. This is the MaxSpec turbine pump. There's like a rubber holder that this is for vibration. This is pinwheel right there. There's a probably it's a metal shaft, inox or hopefully titanium, but probably just inox for sure.
Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going.
Very different skimmer. And the gate valve that allows for the water to go out and adjust the water level, it's also very different. It's right here. So this thing goes, you see it closing right there? So this will control the water level inside the skimmer. Phenomenal. Really nice. Really nice. Price is pretty good, but in Europe is 350 euros. The US I'm not 100% sure, but very nice. I'm happy. This is a skimmer that I will keep in stock at the store because it's a good, looks very nice. Looks very nice. Looks like a good bang for the buck. Alright, this was the unboxing of the MaxSpec jug right there. Beautiful skimmer. See you tomorrow. So another cool detail is the air intake, the Venturi. So this is the silencer. Those are the where the air goes in, and this clips right here. Look at that. Boom. So neat. So nice. Alright. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Working late, stay up.